make your LLM model to talk to internet and get the information from any API and finally give you response with the latest information. Yes, I'm talking about the tool support. Let me show you what exactly we are going to create. So if I have a currency conversion where I give a complex question like, if I'm in USA, I had $1,000. When I came back to India, how much money I still have if I spend nothing but in Indian rupees? If I'm not using any tool calling support, then this will going to use the local LLM memory or the data it is trained on and use the older information. For now, it's 74 INR for $1. But what if I just enable this function or tool calling thing? So I'm going to explain everything for you, but let's see first. And here we get the answer. You can see this time it says something like 83,761. So $1,000 will be 83,768. Let me check here. So $1,000 is exactly 83,700 something. Okay, so that's great. And this we are going to create. So welcome to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak, and this video is all about the Ollama latest version, which include the tool support, basically the tool calling, and this is a game changer for local LLM models. And we are going to learn how this exact thing going to work with the demo I just showed you. So if this kind of video excites you, hit that subscribe button, which is very important for me, and also hit the like button because the number of likes gives me motivation to create more videos just like this. So let's get started. So let's see what this tool support blog says. Basically, it says that Ollama now supports tool calling for popular models such as Llama 3.1, which is the very latest model, and it can also include basically the function or API calling, which we are going to do by the way, then web browsing, code interpreter, and much more. Here is the demo code. You can use, get inspiration from this and make something amazing for you. Okay, the supported model, major one is Llama 3.1, Mistral, Fire Function, Command R. Okay, so let's see how you can use it. But the best part about this tool calling is it is exactly similar to the OpenAI function calling. That means you can simply swap the local model with the OpenAI model to make it working as it's working with your local model. That's game-changing thing for this Ollama support. Right now you can see the example code for Python and JavaScript. This is great, and the future improvement will be streaming the tool calling things. That means one tool calling is done, it will stream the data, then go for the next tool calling, and that will be the great thing. And next one is the forcing model to use this tool. Right now I will show you in the code that right now it's LLM who decide whether it going to use the function or not, it's going to use the tool or not, but we can force it, and that will be in the future. Okay, so this is for the release note, and we are going to use inspiration from this code, which is a sample code given by the Ollama itself, but they are using a fake data, which I don't like. So I'm trying to use this exchange rate API. This exchange rate API is going to give me a simple API where I can just put the currency code and it will give me the conversion rate for every other currency we have here. Okay, so let's find out for INR, and boom, here we are. Great. So this we have used, and the source code for this video is available here at this repository. You will find the link in the description. Great, let's understand the code here. We are using Ollama, importing there, and here we created a function which will return the Ollama chat response. The Ollama using a model for Llama 3.1, the latest one in my local. So if I go here and check for Ollama list, you can see I have Mistral, I have 3.1, 3 and 2. Great. So here is the model, then the message, what exactly we want. So right now, since this is just a command line tool, so I'm using the input of Python to accept the user input, and this will give me the question which I have here. So if I write this, the question, this will be on the content. Now the real addition to this is the tool. Now here we are defining the tool. What is the type of the tool? So I'm going to use a function. So tool is a function. Which function? So function details is here. Function name is get exchange rate. Now this is a function which I have already created at the top. It's getting the currency as a parameter and using the exchange rate API to find out the exchange rate as I have showed you. Important thing is to convert the response into JSON, because that exactly Ollama tool need. Okay, more information about the function is better. So we have given the name, obviously the name of the function to call, but it's very important to provide a better description so that our local model will going to understand when to use this function or when not. Now, since this get exchange rate need a parameter, I have defined a parameter where the property is only one, is a currency code. It's required, and we have again described what it should be, the type and the description. Again, it's very important so that the local model can construct the parameter for us. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to calling this ask LLM function and getting the response. So let me just give you the response. If we are not doing any other thing, what's going to happen? If I say this, here is the question, and this should not going to return the exact answer right now. Because we have defined a tool, LLM model will use its intelligence to see if it need to call a function or not. So see, at this point it says content is nothing, but there is a tool calls. Here it defined the function name we have defined, and the argument it has constructed for us is currency code as USD. This is really amazing thing. So local model knows that now I don't need to just give you direct content or direct response. I need to get some information from a tool I already have. Now let's see, what if I ask this LLM model some other question which is not related to any exchange or currency. What is the temperature of boiling water? Now at this point, this is not at all related to any currency or conversion. Now LLM is going to use its own information and give you the response, and without using the tool call support. So you can see it has created the content for you, but there is no tool calls, and this makes our life really amazing, because at this point, once we know that it need the tool calls, then we can get the function name, we can get the argument and really call the function we have. This is our job, not the job of the LLM model. LLM model says, hey, here is the function name, here is the argument, just call this function. It doesn't know how to call. So how to call is we need to do. So first we need to check if the model really need the tool calling or not, and how we can do that. We know that if in the message we have the tool calls argument property, then we can go ahead. So first of all, I'm getting the function name from all the thing we are getting, and I have created dictionary which is exactly giving the name and really getting the function. So that's why I'm having this available function from this dictionary. I get the name, and here we get the function to call, and then I finally call the function by passing the currency code argument we get from the LLM model. LLM model has created the function name and the argument for us. So we are using it. Once we get the response from the function, which we have here, exchange rate converted to JSON, then we append the information here in the messages. And that's why the messages are outside of this LLM ask LLM function. Great. Now, this time the role is a bit different. It says tool, not system, not assistant, not user. It's a new role called tool. So basically this is telling to our LLM model that, hey, we have the conversation which is here, and we are adding the tool information, tool result to that message, and then finally again running the ask LLM model chat and get the response. Okay, let's see now. So I'm going to put this, and this time it will only going to give me the direct answer because I have final result here which is printing. Great. So you can see we are getting the result. Now let's try to ask again non-related question. How can I learn Spanish? And finally you can see we are getting answer, no tool, no calling, and just the pure answer from the LLM itself. So that's how you can do things. You can make your code much better using this code, and all the information will be available in the GitHub repository. So if you like this video, and if this video is really important for you, hit that subscribe button. It's important, boss. It's really important. And also hit that like button, because that gives me the motivation to create more video just like this. You can also share this video with your friends or basically on social media, but don't forget to tag me at Sarthak Savvy on any social media platform. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.